Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, and Solana in that order. And we're going to talk about the upside and the downside, where to look for resistance and where to look for support. We're going to go through a lot of different things here tonight, just to go over the charts in general and what I'm seeing. Okay, so we're going to start off with Bitcoin, guys. We are in my area of concern here. This is on the 4-hour chart. Right now, you can see where the candle is indecisive. Anytime you see a wick like this to the upside and a wick like this to the downside, and it's in the middle, that means people don't know what to do in this situation. They don't know if they should sell, if they should buy more, if it's going to go up, it's going to go down. And right now, this is an area of uncertainty. Okay, so just keep that in mind. What I would like to see, because we still got 45 minutes, and I'm sure I'm going to get this video out to you before the 8 o'clock close. What I would like to see is a daily candle closing above 48,311 area. Okay, I would like to see that. That would be bullish, or even more bullish if we can get a candle, a daily candle closing above 48,825 area. That would be really nice. But if we don't, guys, it's not the end of the world. Don't freak out. Could we come back down here? As long as we're looking good so far, as long as this 774 area holds up. If that does break down, then we'll look at 47,400, and then we got a nice bounce here off my line that I had for day, or actually I had this for about a week now, or maybe even longer. But either way, we had this line here for a while. We got a nice bounce here off of 46,752. So that would be my last line of defense, to maybe come down to the downside, and maybe get down to 45,458 and 45,000 area. Okay, it's my purple box. This could be a nice bounce area, but if that doesn't hold, if this gets rejected and we get a 4-hour candle closing under 45,000, then I'd be looking for this area right around 42,832 and 42,500 area. Okay, I don't think that's going to happen tonight, guys. I think maybe we trade sideways, maybe come down a little bit, or maybe go up a little bit, depending. If we do get a 4-hour candle closing, and I circled it right here above this previous high, which is coming in at around 48,825 area, then I would look for more upside, maybe testing this bigger trend, and I'll zoom out on the daily for you so you can see it better. Testing this bigger trend up here, which is coming in right around 50,500. So maybe we get rejected there. If we break out there, then my box for the next rejection would be 51,357 to 52,822 area. Okay. Now, guys, if we break this high here at 53,000, yeah, we could go a lot higher in this move and quick. I mean, we could head up to 60,000 really quick. So keep that in mind. Now, none of this is guaranteed. It's a weekend. Who knows what's going to happen? Right now, it's kind of one of those things. I wouldn't be necessarily going all out here. This is something where you guys got to make your own decisions. Okay. You could take a little profit if you want. It never hurts. You can move your stop losses up. You could hold long. This is up to you guys now at this point, because it hasn't given me any clear signals on what to do right at this moment. So I am not sure, actually myself, what to do here, because we are in my box. So I wouldn't give you the advice. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But I wouldn't, right now, I wouldn't be telling you to buy or sell here. So this is something where we're kind of like in no man's land, and we had such a great run. So I'm not sure if we're going to come down. or we're going to get more upside. Let's see some of our indicators, I believe. Let's go to the 4 hour. The daily just crossed up on the MACD, which is nice, but the 4 hour is topping out a little bit. The MACD is going up, which is nice. The RSI is kind of curling down. It got really high, kind of curling down here on the 4 hour, so that's not good. The vortex indicator is stretched out. That's kind of high. So, but it's one of those things where you're getting mixed signals, and the market is showing it by the candle right now. The candle, they don't know what to do here either. Let's see the hour chart. We crossed for a second just there. You saw it just flash. We are getting negative divergence here on the RSI. So the hour's not looking good. We almost crossed here. So short term, and we are high here. We're coming down. So short term, we could see a little move to the downside, but nothing is guaranteed here yet. So this is a tough call, guys. Maybe let's see if this 46,752 area holds up. Maybe a move down to there and then a bounce. But that's what I would be looking for. So these are my conditions on Bitcoin. Guys, we're going to look at the ribbons real quick. Remember what I told you guys yesterday? We get past this area, boom, to the moon. We're to the moon. We're moon rocking it right now. So that's on the daily. Let's look at the weekly. Oh, okay. So we're above the weekly here. Okay. So this would be the 20 EMA on the weekly. So we are above that. So the weekly's looking good. 4 hour. 4 hours looking good. We're crossing up. We are getting a little negative divergence here at the top of this candle. So maybe let's see what happens. But the ribbons are looking good. Ethereum, we hit a target here of 33.3337. So let's see if we can break that, get a 4 hour candle close above that. Then I would look for my box here anywhere from 33.80 to 34. Looks like what do I have? Well, we'll go with my green line here. Well, I had this, so let's go with this. 34.61. So we'll look at there. We'll look at that area for the upside. To the downside, we want to see if we're going to pull this down a little bit. We want to see if, because we got a nice bounce there on the 4 hour, if 32.71 holds up, and then my next line to hold up would be right around the 30. Let's say the 32.16. Okay. Could we get down to 31.10? Yeah, that would be my last line of defense for a nice bounce. All right. So keep in mind upside, downside on Ethereum. Let's see. MACD just crossed in the 4 hours, so that's looking good. These are all high. The RSI is high. So like I said, mixed signals. We're getting RSI high here. So this is all mixed signals. Even if you look at the candle here, it's in between. So people don't know if they should buy or sell. It's very indecisive in this moment too on Ethereum. Matic, same thing, guys. People are not sure what to do, and I'm guessing it's based on Bitcoin. But we hit a target of 130. My next target to the upside would be 135, and then this 140 and 144 area. Okay, those would be my next targets for Matic. Because now we moved to Matic. Ethereum, we covered that, so we're going to move to Matic. So those are my targets on Matic to the upside. To the downside, I would like to see the $1.23 hold up. If that fails, then I would like to see the dollar. Actually, we're going to move this down to the $1.18 or the $1.17, $1.18 area. I would like to see that hold up just because it's the high $1.17, so it could be a $1.18 too, whatever how you guys want to put that. But yeah, I want to see that would be my next target to hold. If that doesn't hold, then I'd be looking at a $1.14, $1.15 area. right here are boom. Yeah, around $1.14, $1.15. So those would be my areas for support. My areas to the upside, we just covered that. Indecisive candle. So the market's really indecisive right now. So maybe some sideways movement. I can't tell you which way this is going right now. Some things are topping out. Some things are looking good on indicators. We're hitting some zones where, there's some resistance on everything. So let's look at Cardano. We hit our target. Guys, nailed it. 227. That's what I had as our target. We nailed the target. We even went above our W pattern here, so we can get rid of that. We got a nice bounce off of 218. So I would look for 218 to hold up. If you want to be more conservative, we could go to, let's see. It bounced off of 221 and held up. So let's see if that holds up. Then 218 and then back down to 215 and a half area. That would be my last line of defense, because then we'd go down to 210. To the upside, I'm looking at 231, guys. 231 to 239 area, and then 245 to 250. Okay, so that would be, I look for the upside on Cardano. Solana, we hit our target. And I told you about this, guys, earlier. I mean, if you guys watch my video from earlier, when I was talking about Bitcoin, I said, guys, don't FOMO in here, because we just hit my target at 165. And at the time, I believe we were at 164 still. And I knew that we were hitting this target. We didn't get above it after that. And that was the high of the day, 165. We did get a bounce off of 156. So let's see if that holds up. Then my next level would be 142 and 149. If that doesn't hold, guys, I would be looking back down here at 143 in the 140 area. And then my last line of defense for a nice bounce would be 134 to 128 to the downside. To the upside, if we break this 165, I would be looking at 170, and then I'd be looking at 183 and 188 and 197. And then if we break 197, let's see if we can get past, let's see here, around 208. Oh, what happened? Actually, what do we have here? Let's go 205 and then 216. This is on Coinbase. So if you guys are looking at Binance chart, the prices could be a little bit different, but this is on Coinbase chart, guys. So just remember, when you're trading on Coinbase or you're trading on Binance or whatever platform you're trading on, those are the charts that you want to use for your charting, because the prices could be a little different. So keep that in mind. But they're all usually pretty much similar. So the ranges are kind of the same. So Bitcoin undecisive. Let's see. We covered the downside. We covered the upside. We hit all of our targets, guys. Solana, 165. Cardano, 227 to the dollar. And we hit all of our targets to the dollar. 130 Matic. Ethereum. This was actually an old target. I actually had, I believe I had 3380, but we actually hit an old target that I had on Ethereum. Bitcoin, what do we have on Bitcoin? Bitcoin, we went a little bit above my target at 48,500. And what did I have? I had 48,300. So, you know what? Yeah, I would like to see a daily candle closing above this area. If we don't get it, guys, not the end of the, don't panic. Okay. Don't panic until we start breaking down, especially if we maybe get a 4-hour candle close under 46,750. Then potentially we could see this 45,500 area, but you could see a bounce there. So, yeah. And to the upside, we talked about the upside. So I think we covered everything here, guys. I think that's it for tonight's video. I'm going to try to get this out for you because there's only a half hour left till candle close for the daily. So I'm going to get this out to you as soon as possible. So I'm going to end this video. Guys, I'm putting in the work for you guys. I'm not getting paid for this. All I'm asking for you guys to do is hit the thumbs up. I'm giving you these, look at this. These are to the dollar, guys, the targets. I'm giving you the bottoms. I'm giving you the tops to the dollar. I mean, look at this. I'm telling you guys where it's at to the dollar. I mean, I'm doing the best I can for you guys. All I'm asking for you guys is the sub. I just started this channel 3 months ago. All I'm asking for you, sub, hit the like. Please hit the like. Show me the love back. It makes me feel like I want to do this. I'm not getting paid for this. Any money I do get in the future, I'm gonna give it to kids. So you guys, make sure you guys do that for me. I really appreciate all the love you guys show me in the comments. I hope I didn't miss anything. I'm trying to think if I missed anything, but I think I covered it all. So much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to put my link to Twitter and my link to Webull. So you guys, if you guys sign up, deposit $100, you can get some couple free shares. And if you share it, you do get some bonuses and things of that nature if you do that as well. So right now, I don't even think I get any bonuses. I think I get $5 worth of free shib right now. So if you guys use my link, but if you use my link, you guys do get some free shares, and that's the only reason I'm telling you guys to do it. But guys, listen, much love. I really appreciate you guys. Um, I can't tell you how much I love all you guys. It makes me want to do these videos. But you guys show me the love, keeps me motivated, and I'll keep you guys updated. So much love and peace out.